This is the Heat Transfer Interactive Calculator, which solves heat transfer problems across 3 fundamental modes: conduction, convection, and radiation. The calculator has a drop-down menu for select calculation mode with 8 options. Calculate heat transfer rate Q for conduction, calculate thermal conductivity K, temperature difference delta T, or thickness L for conduction. Calculate heat transfer rate Q for conduction, calculate thermal conductivity K, temperature difference delta T, or thickness L for conduction. Calculate heat transfer rate Q or heat transfer coefficient H for convection, and calculate heat transfer rate Q or surface temperature T1 for radiation. For this demonstration, I've selected conduction heat transfer rate Q. The input fields include thermal conductivity K, cross-sectional area A, temperature difference delta T, thickness L, heat transfer rate Q, heat transfer coefficient H, emissivity epsilon with values between 0 and 1, surface temperature T1, and ambient second temperature T2. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for thermal conductivity K, 10 for cross-sectional area A, 10 for temperature difference delta T, and 10 for thickness L. After clicking Calculate, the results show a primary result of Q equals 100 watts, additional info showing heat flux of 10 watts per square meter, and thermal resistance R equals 0.1 K per watt. These results help engineers quickly validate heat transfer designs and thermal management solutions. Find the link in the description below.